Today I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook mail notification pop-up not working. If you've been missing important emails because those handy desktop alerts aren't showing up, this quick fix will get them back up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, make sure you log into your account so all your emails load properly. This initial step is important because you need to be fully logged in to access the settings we'll be adjusting. Take a moment to ensure everything has loaded completely before moving forward. Now that your emails are visible and your account is active, it's time to head over to the File menu. You'll find this located at the top part of your screen, right alongside your other tools and menus. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This is where Outlook keeps a lot of its core settings and account management features, so it's the gateway to solving this notification issue. Once the File menu opens up, take a look at the very bottom part of that menu. You should see an option labeled Options. Click on it, and a Microsoft Outlook Options window will appear on your screen. This window is essentially the control center for customizing how Outlook behaves, so it's exactly where we need to be. From here, an Outlook Options window will appear with several categories listed on the left side. Click on Mail from that left side menu. This section controls everything related to how you send, receive, and get notified about emails. Once you're in the mail settings, look for a section called Message Arrival. This is the key area that determines whether or not you see those desktop alerts. In the Message Arrival section, you'll see a list of options that control how Outlook notifies you when new emails come in. The main culprit behind your missing notifications is usually a simple checkbox. Look for the option that says Display a desktop alert and make sure the checkbox next to it is toggled on. If it's unchecked, that's exactly why your notification pop-ups aren't working, because the feature is completely disabled. Simply click the checkbox to enable it. Once you've checked that box, click OK to save your changes. That's it. Your Outlook mail notifications should now pop up on your desktop whenever a new email arrives, keeping you in the loop without having to constantly check your inbox manually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.